Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is the way the world looks around. In this chapter, we are going to learn about different views of an object. So let's begin. Competencies covered through this chapter or through this video particularly will be knowledge and understanding. We are going to know and understand how different views of an object are useful for us and what are the needs and why do we require them to see with different views and perspectives. Some of the technological tools used to make this video are listed below, that is augmented reality using AR Lupa application, 3D models using PowerPoint, live worksheets for your homework, inbuilt whiteboard throughout the video. So without wasting any time, let's take you to the world of augmented reality with the video coming.
Hello students, you might be wondering what this car is doing here. So I would like to tell you that I have bought this car to show you the different views of an object. So currently the car is showing its front view. You are able to see the front view of the car. Now I would like to show you another side of the car, that is the back view. So now as you can see that this is the back side of the car. In the earlier scene we have seen the front view of the car, now it's the back side of the car. Okay. So now you can see that this is the top view of the car. So now it is the side view of the car we are seeing here. Earlier we have seen the top view, the front view, and now this is the side view of the car. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide.
I hope you have understood the concept of view in the video shown previously. So now coming to the definitions, when we can view an object from different angles, that is called the viewpoint of an eye. We have seen in the previous video that how we get the view of different positions of an object when we change our position with respect to the object, as well as when the object changes its position with respect to our eye or our position. So there are three main views: top view, front view and side views. There are also views apart from these which we will see in the coming slides. So let's quickly move on to the example. So here you can see a table what we have in our classrooms also. So this view is the front view. Basically we are seeing the front view of the table. Now imagine from the point of view of this person standing over here, the view is front view for now, and let's say now the table starts moving. Okay, so now he is seeing the top view, and here comes the side view. I am talking about with respect to the position of this person standing in the picture. Similarly, now it's rotating in another position. Now he is seeing the bottom of the table. So in this example, the object is revolving, but the person who is watching this object is at standstill. His position is not changing, only the object's position is changing. Okay, let me show you another example. So can you tell me what view is this? Is it the front side of the house? Is it the back side of the house? Okay, many of you might have guessed the right answer. It's the front view of the house. So let's try and rotate this building and see different views of this house also. Now this is the side view. Here comes the back view. Again the side view. Now let's rotate it upside down. Okay, and again it's the front view. Yes, see, it's now the top view of the building. And slowly it is coming towards what? The bottom of the building. Here it comes, it's the bottom view of the building. So now how many views we have seen here? The top view, the bottom view, front view, back view, side view. Now there are some questions for you, but before that let's see through another picture. Now tell me, the girl walking in which direction? It says front view. Opposite to front is the back view. Opposite of top view is bottom view. Alright. Now I have some pictures for you. You have to quickly answer what view is shown in the upcoming pictures. Okay. So here's the first picture. Write down your answers in the comments so that I can know how many of you have guessed the right answer. So it's the top view of the car. This is the front view of the house. Good. Most of you are guessing the right answer. Now this is the side view of the person. Next, now it's the plain top view or the bottom view. This might be confusing for you. Yes, come on, write down in the comments below. Okay, right, it's the bottom view. Yes, now that's its puppies. Which view? Yes, side view. Good. Now first of all tell me what it is, whether it is a plant or a tree, big size tree. How will you differentiate between both of these just by looking this picture? As we can see in the picture, there are many branches we can see in between the leaves. So definitely it's a tree, big tree. And the view, most of you are answering it right. Yes, is the top view. So I hope you have liked the questions. Now I have prepared some live worksheet for you in which you have to match the picture corresponding to its view. So this was the homework I was talking about. In this you have to match the pictures in column A to the view in column B. Like once you move your cursor on the picture, it will show you a pencil, and then you draw a line from the picture to the option you find suitable, like this. Once you are done, you have to click on finish, and then you will get your score out of 10. You can send me a screenshot of your score, as well as you can also email me. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood the concept of views. Thank you.